everybody, we are out here in our garden today and we are about to plant some lettuce and kale, and we have special varieties of lettuce and kale which are really good for the heat, and we are planting in one of our raised beds which is off the ground, and it gets a little warmer than our other beds which are on the ground, so we wanted to make sure that we had some special heat varieties. So we're going to plant the lettuce first, and we are going to do that on the south side of the bed because the kale will get bigger and we don't want it to shade it out. And the way that we plant lettuce is we tend to plant more densely, and then when we go through and we thin them down, we eat them more like microgreens. So kale, we want to make sure that we plant on the north side of the lettuce because this gets a lot taller. So we're going to plant that over on this side of the bed. You going to help too? Yeah?